everyone, welcome back to SA WebTech. In this session, I am going to teach you simple and basic commands for Linux. Here is the pwd command. Why we use the pwd command? To print the working directory. In which directory at present we are working, it displays by using the command pwd. Let us see. See, we are working in this particular directory, root, home and root / Ubuntu. We are working on this directory at present. So always pwd command starts with the it starts with the root directory. Okay. Next, which user is particularly executing these commands? We have to know. So we have a command that who am I? It represents that which user is executing the commands. So we can know that Ubuntu user is executing the commands at present. And in this directory, did we have any files or directories? We have to know. So to display the list of files and directories, we have another command ls. This ls command is used to display the list of files and as well as directories. So this command is executed successfully. That means there are no files and directories in this. So to create files and directories, we have a command. So first of all, we focus on files. To create files, we have a command called touch command. This touch command is used to create files. So now I am creating touch file 1. So when I am using this touch command to create file 1, an empty new file will be created. So to see this file, to display the list of files or directories, we have a command called ls. Enter. So file 1 is created. And in the same way, to create the directories, we have a command mkdir d1. So this is the mkdir is the command and I am creating d1 directory. Okay, enter. So this is created, this is executed successfully, so that I did not get any error. Okay, so to display the list of directories, we have a command ls. So here file 1 and d1. Okay, so among these, which is the file and which is the directory? How can you identify that? So by color you couldn't identify that this is directory and this is file. Okay, so that we have another option that ls-l. It is used to display the long listing of files and directories, so that we can identify which is file and which is directory. See here, in d1, this is the long listing for d1 directory and it is the long listing for file 1. In this long listing, you can observe that this file 1 is started with hyphen. If the file 1 or else any file, if started with hyphen, it is called file. If any long listing that is started with D, then that is called directory. Okay, is it clear for everyone? So in this session only I am going to teach you only 5 basic commands, that is pwd, who am I, ls, touch command and mkdir. If you are familiar with these commands and if you are interested to learn these things, so that I can make more videos on commands. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.